It's time to upgrade the garage again. You see, I only got a limited space in here and I need to use every corner of the garage to maximize the use of it. Often I need to use spaces for multiple jobs. Same with the table here. It will be my welding/working table. I can use this to weld stuff on and also to fab workpieces and projects on. And also all the dirty jobs like cutting and grinding metal will be easier to clean since it's in the middle of the garage and away from all the cabinets and shelves. So the legs right in here are done. I also made a CAD model before to see what material I would need and where to position cuts and everything. And let's move on to the top square. So this is a mock-up how it will look. The top is now laying on the floor. If you are wondering what I'm doing here, I need to level it up so it's straight and level in this little 90-degree corner vise. My floor is not level enough, so I just level it up with some shims. middle brace here later, since the metal plate on top will be so thick and heavy. I thought whatever, let's add a brace. So this is it. So it got this H shape on the bottom when I'm sitting and working on the table. I got enough space for a chair for my legs. Now check out this little Of course I already noticed it when mocking up with the magnets. I welded the brace on the crooked leg first, so now I can push it, hold it in place and then weld it on. On the other side there's another problem. The legs aren't standing up straight, so there's a gap, but a little strapping and pushing it up and we're good. So while my pup's fully welding the joints, I started designing the base plates for the casters. I want them removable, so if they break, I just order some new casters and put them on. As you can see, two of these nuts will be inside the frame, so I just welded them on and then made enough space so they can sink inside the frame. And here it is in all of its glory. And of course it's a welding table slash workbench, so it needs a heavy metal tabletop. So I put this plate here on top. This is how it looks. The only thing it needs now is one color. The top stays like it is, gets beaten up anyway and needs to be bare metal for welding, but the frame gets a nice matte black. So I scuff this up a little bit, clean it up, degrease it, and spray a little black on. I played around with the silver aluminum spray, but I didn't like the silver, so I stay with black. And this is it. And this is by far the best addition I made to the garage. It's so nice to work in the middle of the garage and got space around your workpiece. You can walk around, weld from every side. It's so nice. It's the best addition I made to the garage. So if you see me build something in the next videos, it will be on this table. So see you in the next one.